Team Assignment 2 with Lovisa, Kawsar and Nasima. English structures. We chose to have a lesson about personal pronouns. It's important to teach pronoun usage during the early stages when students are learning basic sentence construction. So, to further develop and make a strong foundation in the English language, they need to know the use of personal pronouns. So we planned our 2 lessons for a second grade class with 20 students in it. Learning outcomes. The aims are for the children to understand why, when and how to use personal pronouns and the importance of it. And according to the curriculum, the purpose of the subject English is that students should be given the opportunity to develop a comprehensive communicative ability. This ability means understanding spoken and written English, being able to formulate and interact with others in speech and writing.
There will be 2 lessons on personal pronouns. The length of each lesson is 30 minutes. The first lesson contains 2 parts. The first part of first lesson is an introduction, approximately 15 minutes, where some of the basic personal pronouns like I, you, he, she, it, we, they will be explained with some simple examples. The second part of the first lesson will be a classroom activity where the students will practice pronoun in a group. The teacher will divide the class in groups of 3 students. For example, in group A, we have 3 students, Alex, Ben, and Lisa. Alex will say, I am Alex. Then Alex will say, you are Ben. Alex will say again, she is Lisa. Later, Ben and Lisa will do the same by their turns, where they practice pronoun I, you, he, and she. Later, the students of group A will say together, we are group A. And looking to the other group, they will say, they are group B. Here, the students practice pronoun we and they. At the end, every student needs to mention name of a thing from the classroom. For an example, a book. It is a book. Here they learn how to use the pronoun it. Through this exercise, they will see the connection between pronoun and the real person or thing. The length of the second lesson is approximately 30 minutes. First part of the second lesson will be around 10 minutes, where the previous lesson will be repeated shortly. All the students will be randomly participating to check out the right pronoun. For example, which pronoun should we use instead of a boy? He or she. In the last part of the second lesson, all the students will work in a worksheet in pairs, where they will write the correct pronoun by looking to the pictures on the worksheet. Thank you.
The material we will use are PowerPoint, pencil, eraser, and worksheet. The problem that might appear are that it can be too soon to introduce personal pronouns if the pupil's English isn't developed enough. The teacher should pay attention to know if the class is ready for these 2 lessons. If not, the teacher should wait until they are ready. They also might get confused and mix personal pronouns with other pronouns. So it's important to explain a lot and repeat. And if it's too complicated, they might lose their motivation to learn or listen. To avoid these kind of problems, it is important to adjust the level of difficulty as the lesson is going on. We think that variation is important for the students, That is why we chose to have different kinds of exercise, such as classroom activity, group activity, and pairs. They also get the chance to listen, speak, read, and write.